Namaste everyone. I hope you're all ready to get started with our yoga philosophy course. Now, in this very first module, we are going to look at some traditional philosophy elements. These elements will provide an essential framework to your understanding of the yoga philosophy and where it fits within the grand scheme of things of all the concepts of yoga and associated trainings and facets. So, to start it off, we're going to go into this traditional philosophy module with the theory of the Shad Darshana. This Shad Darshan, or the 6 Indian philosophies as we call them, are unique schools of philosophy and unique ways of looking at life and understanding life as well as yourself. So through this unique perspective on what life is, how we can view life, we begin to understand the ways in which Indian philosophers looked at the world and how they were able to conceptualize metaphysics and deeper concepts. The important thing here is that within these 6 Shad Darshan lies yoga philosophy. So what is going to happen within this is like we've set the framework, and now you're beginning to see where the pieces of the puzzle fit and how the theory expands itself. So let's deep dive into this world of the Shad Darshan, which are very often known as the Astic philosophies, those that believe in the Vedas and are supported by the ideas from the Vedic philosophy, versus the Tridarshana, which is the Nastika philosophies, the 3 philosophies that are separate from these 6, these 3, which do not believe in the Vedic philosophy and chose to formulate their own schools of yoga and practice. So we are going to look at these 6 schools, the Shad Darshana, plus the Tridarshana, the 3 schools which are Nastic and do not follow the Vedic philosophy. And we're going to see how all those schools come together to form the bedrock of Indian philosophy and Indian psychology. So now, without further ado, let's go right into Module 1. The first thing we're going to do is get a great overview of all the 6 different philosophy. So let's dive right into it. I'm going to see you in Chapter 1.